What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine, guys. We're back with another video. We got a new project. Maybe the new welding rig. How do you think I look? Nah, I'm just joking. This is a customer project. He just came in today. Got another customer supposed to be picking up his grill, which is over there. We'll look more at that here in a little bit, but we're about to look at this repair. This is going to be the most interesting repair I have ever done. Gonna have to do it 100% right. Hold on, let's get you guys down low. Hold on. All right, so what we got right here, so you guys can see. This right here is the rust that we got. Let's see if the camera can pick it up. So this is with me knocking it off. You see that white line? That's about where it's good at right there. So we're gonna cut this out right here. About right here, and then come all the way up to that white line, because anything above that white line is good metal. If you can see, it gets thicker right there. It's like 1/8. So I'm gonna take this hammer. There we go. So that's what good metal sound like. Bad metal. Yeah, I wouldn't be taking that anywhere. So yeah, we got a repair right there. All right, so that's what we got. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. Got some bent plate. Got some bent plate right here. This is gonna go on the back side of the frame, so you won't be able to see the bent plate. So now, most people are like, okay, how you gonna do? Because he's got a skid plate. So I took that off. So we got to work around that, because and I tested the metal right there where the skid plate is. The metal's good there. So the metal's good for where the skid plate is at. So we're not gonna put nothing behind there, because then we have to extend the skid plate out. So another way would be full welded, everything fully solid. Then the skid plate area, I'm gonna show you where that looks like. That's gonna be, let me switch the camera around, sorry guys. All right, so the skid plate is about right here to about right there. So about 5.5 inches. So what we're gonna do, oh, and we gotta cut a little notch out for a hanger he got back there. All right, so what we're gonna do is from this point to that point. From here we're gonna go up. From here we're gonna go up, and then the skid plate's gonna be on the bottom of this support. So we're gonna weld this up. Skid plates to the bottom, and then this. So we got, that's probably roughly about 7 inches, I think. 7.5 inches, give or take. This plate is about 17 inches. So this is gonna support good thing you wear steel toe boots. But so pretty much that's what we got. So we're gonna leave a 5.5 inch gap between where the frame bracket is at, because you don't want to put nothing behind there, because again you'd have to extend it, and it's just a little bit more complicated with that. So we're gonna do it a different way, so like this. But yeah, so that's what we got. Here's the customer project. It's a Dodge Power Wagon. So we got our lines marked out here. This is the from here to there. From there to there is 3.5, so we can maximize the space. All right, y'all, so we got this bent plate. We bent this in the shop. Bent this plate, cut a notch out. I'm gonna show you what we got. That's gonna be clamped up. All right, let's get under here so I can show you guys what we did. Okay. So, there we go, we cut all the rust out. Cleaned it up all the way across the top. This one right here, we cut a lot of the rust out, cleaned it up, cut a big chunk out right there. So we cut a real good chunk out, all the way to good metal. Now it's time to go ahead and put that panel on.